pretty hard.
Yeah.
We'll just go in a little bite first.
With the ice cream?
You wanna try it? You wanna try it?
I like it. Wanna try it, Mama? Mama give? No.
You wanna try it?
No, Mama gave it to her. Yes. Oh.
That's cold, isn't
That's
it?
cold.
You want more? I think she likes it.
Maybe I can dig it loose with this first.
Our kids don't like ice cream. Dick Becken wouldn't eat it, or Rowan, Rick Becken I guess it was, wouldn't eat it. Right his first birthday.
Oh, that's right, Becken. Yeah, that's funny.
Mm.
That's ice cream.
Mm. That was better. She didn't make such a big face at it, though. She likes that.
How is it? Good? Is it good?
Yeah, she wants more.
Don't give it too big a piece, it'll bite. Guess I better dig a little more loose there. You're gonna have to be patient. I'm not a fast server.
Okay, sweetheart.
Okay. Okay. Wants it right away from
Give me
me.
your dish, honey. We'll put some more in. Do you want a little more? You want a little more ice cream? Hand me your dish. Give me your dish. Just put a little bit in there for her. A spoonful.
Looks like it came out of the hardening room.
Yeah. Okay, he's coming. That's why she wanted today when she wanted her applesauce.